everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-Tistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my studio. I am a fluid artist from Sioux City, Iowa, and I just want to give you a brief introduction of who I am, as well as an introduction to my channel. So a little bit about me. I am a fluid artist here in Sioux City, as well as a CEO of a nonprofit organization. I started fluid art solely because I needed something that could occupy my mind and put some creativity into something that I feel a sense of accomplishment. And I noticed that when I was painting my walls, now just painting, just the colors of painting the walls, you know, I noticed that I would have my mind completely blank and occupied with the project at hand, if you will. So after I received my master's degree, I knew I wanted to do something that could be creative and occupy my mind. So I went to a art class one day for raising money for our nonprofit. And what I found was it did the exact same thing that painting a room did. It was even more creative, and I have this creative side of me that I feel like I want to get out. So I went to the store, and my son and I found a little corner that talked about fluid art. That's how I got started. And so my son and I brought those home, and we created our very first masterpieces. Well, kind of sort of masterpieces anyway. And then from there I just kept learning from YouTube channels, from Julie Cuts, from Molly, from Olga, and some of the other artists that are out there on YouTube. And so that's the reason why I started, and now I feel like it's a part of who I am. And so I can't seem to stop, and I don't want to stop. I'm also an empty nester, and so all of that kind of came together all at once, and that's the reason why I chose to start painting. This is a hobby for me, but yet now it's also something much more than that. I can't say that it's a big business, but I can say that I enjoy what I do all the time. This particular hobby, if you will, has been able to help me get through a lot of things. Over the last year, we have had COVID. We have had unrest in our communities, as well as the heightened of social injustice. And so I just wanted to let you know that this channel is a place where you can come, you can learn, and then you can also relax. You're gonna see all different types of fluid art, from ring pours to swipes to pendulums to just all kinds of different abstract arts. I have realized the amount of appreciation that I have for art, for artists, for emotional expression, to be able to do something to help relieve your stress. So that's the reason for my channel, is to help people like myself out there learn how to do fluid art in your home. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you decide to subscribe and to click that notification bell so you can get more videos when I get a new one up. And if not, if this is just a passing through, that's okay too as well. Click some of those videos down below, and I think you're gonna like some of them. Thanks again, and have a great day. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
Thinking about all of the... My cat is underneath me, so... He's right here. Right here. See him? Anyway. Alright. So there's all kinds of hair flying everywhere.